Hi all, we live in a strangely beautiful world where at times people and things never fail to amaze us. And today I'm gonna share few such strangely amazing facts that will blow your mind. Fact 1. Toys are must for kids and major toy companies make thousands of durable and variety toys daily. But can you guess which company is the largest distributor of toys in the world? Few names that have struck your mind must be Lego, Barbie, Disney or Nintendo. But get ready to surprise yourself as none of these are. Okay, let me give you a hint. Do your kid often enjoy Happy Meal at McDonald's? McDonald's. Yes, it's McDonald's that is the largest toy distributor company in the globe since the inception of Happy Meals in their menu. Fact 2. We have two lungs, but do you know they are not equal in size like your eyes and nose? In fact, your left lung is smaller than your right lung. And this extra space in the left side is to give your heart the required space in the body. Wow, and I thought that lungs are identical. Did you know that before? Fact 3. Having food without salt is just impossible for some people, just like me, and I know the importance of salt in my life. However, I was amazed when I came to know it was the utmost valuable commodity in ancient times too. Did you know salt was used as a currency by ancient Romans? Salt was expensive in ancient Rome, and the soldiers in Roman army were paid with salt instead of money. In fact, the word salary comes from it only, as Roman soldiers' monthly allowance was called salarium, wherein the Latin word sal means salt. Fact 4. How many ways do you know to tie your necktie? Only one or two? But do you know there are actually more than 1,000 ways to tie a necktie? Yes, you heard that right. A Swedish mathematician recently calculated that there are more than 175,000 ways to tie, and we still know only one. Isn't that crazy? Fact 5. If you are a cat lover, then you will just love this next fact. Do you know in South Korea and Japan, you can have coffee with cats? Cat cafes are popular there. You can enjoy coffee and hang out with cats for hours. So don't forget to have this strangely unique experience whenever you are visiting South Korea and Japan. Fact 6. Today we girls have n number of beauty products to enhance our beauty and skin health. But can you ever imagine in your wildest dream that you can use men's sweat for your beauty as an alternate to this beauty product? It would sound very weird and messy, but you won't believe high-profile women in ancient Rome used to wear the sweat of gladiators to improve their beauty. Strangely, today Rome is popular for all its luxurious cosmetic products. However, once in ancient times, the sweat of gladiators did matter. Fact 7. Restaurants always do something out of the box to attract new and old customers. And how far they can go is sometimes unpredictable and beyond imagination. Well, in Japan, there is one such restaurant where monkeys are waiters. The name of the restaurant is Kayabukiya Teven. Not only this, the monkey wear shirt and skirt, get payment in the form of bananas and tips in the form of soya beans. Wow, that sounds like a next level experience. Fact 8. Festivals are for get together and spending quality time with each other. But what if you get beaten up in a festival? Well, there is a strange festival held every year in Bolivia, South America, where people beat each other for 2 to 3 days straight. Thankfully, the weapon used in the fight are fist and stones only. The name of this festival is Tinku, which means meeting encounter in their native language. Luckily, the festival also includes feast, dance, music events apart from the crazy tussle. Fact 9. What's in a name? A reference to famous Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. This fact is oddly strange and related to name. In year 1958, a man named Robert Lane from USA had named his two sons Winner and Loser. Can you guess why he did name them so? He did so just because he thought the choice of name could have influence on the kid's future. Therefore, to his sixth baby he named Winner and seventh baby as Loser. But to his surprise, exactly the opposite turned out to be true. The sixth child, Winner Lane, became a criminal, and the seventh child, Loser Lane, became a detective. It seems a famous quote, "What's in a name," proves to be true here, as what someone is called is arbitrary compared to their intrinsic qualities. Fact 10. This last fact will give you a thrill. Most of you must have experienced wakeboarding and snowboarding, recreational sports, which are quite common. But have you ever heard of volcano boarding? No? Well, a second before even I had the same response. Volcano boarding is a sport that is performed on the slopes of a volcano. So now your next question must be, where is it available? Well, Cerro Negro is an active volcano in Nicaragua, Central America, and this is where this extreme sport was invented in year 2004. Cerro Negro was last erupted in year 1999, and the smooth ash terrain it created made it a perfect spot for sliding. So all the sportsmen and crazy people out there, you can plan your next adventure trip to Nicaragua, South America. I hope you all like this video. Do let me know in comment section how many of these strange facts did you know before and which one fact you found the strangest. And please subscribe to my channel Facty Home. Bye bye.